Surah, number 74, of Quran Majeed. The Shrouded.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Ya ayyuhal Muddassir.
Oh, you wrapped up in your mantle.
Qum fa'anzir.
Rise up and warn.
وَرَبَّكَ فَكَبِّرْ.
Magnify your Lord.
وَثِيَابَكَ فَطَهِّرْ.
And purify your clothes.
وَالرُّجْزَ فَاهْجُرْ.
And keep away from all impurity.
وَلَا تَمْنُن تَسْتَكْثِرْ.
Do not grant a favor seeking a greater gain.
وَلِرَبِّكَ فَاصْبِرْ.
And be patient for the sake of your Lord.
فَإِذَا نُقِرَ فِي النَّاقُورِ.
When the trumpet will be sounded.
فَذَلِكَ يَوْمَئِذٍ يَوْمٌ عَسِيرٌ.
That will be a day of hardship.
عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ غَيْرُ يَسِيرٌ.
Not at all easy for the faithless.
ذَرْنِي وَمَنْ خَلَقْتُ وَحِيدًا.
Leave me to deal with him whom I created alone.
وَجَعَلْتُ لَهُ مَالًا مَمْدُودًا.
And furnished him with extensive means.
وَبَنِينَ شُهُودًا.
Gave him sons to be at his side.
وَمَهَّدتُّ لَهُ تَمْهِيدًا.
And facilitated all matters for him.
ثُمَّ يَطْمَعُ أَنْ أَزِيدَ.
Still he is eager that I should give him more.
كَلَّا إِنَّهُ كَانَ لِآيَاتِنَا عَنِيدًا.
No, indeed. He is an obstinate opponent of our signs.
سَأُرْهِقُهُ صَعُودًا.
Soon I will overwhelm him with hardship.
إِنَّهُ فَكَّرَ وَقَدَّرَ.
Indeed he reflected and decided.
فَقُتِلَ كَيْفَ قَدَّرَ.
Perish he, how he decided.
ثُمَّ قُتِلَ كَيْفَ قَدَّرَ.
Again, perish he, how he decided.
ثُمَّ نَظَرَ.
Then he looked.
ثُمَّ عَبَسَ وَبَسَرَ.
Then frowned and scowled.
ثُمَّ أَدْبَرَ وَاسْتَكْبَرَ.
Then he walked away disdainfully.
فَقَالَ إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا سِحْرٌ يُؤْثَرُ.
Saying, it is nothing but traditional sorcery.
إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا قَوْلُ الْبَشَرِ.
It is nothing but the speech of a human.
سَأُصْلِيهِ سَقَرَ.
Soon I will cast him into Sakar.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا سَقَرُ.
And what will show you what is Sakar?
لَا تُبْقِي وَلَا تَذَرُ.
It neither spares, nor leaves, anything.
لَوَّاحَةٌ لِلْبَشَرِ.
It burns the skin.
عَلَيْهَا 19.
There are 19 keepers over it.
وَمَا جَعَلْنَا أَصْحَابَ النَّارِ إِلَّا مَلَائِكَةً وَمَا جَعَلْنَا عِدَّتَهُمْ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِيَسْتَيْقِنَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ وَيَزْدَادَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا إِيمَانًا وَلَا يَرْتَابَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ وَالْمُؤْمِنُونَ وَلِيَقُولَ الَّذِينَ فِي قُلُوبِهِم مَّرَضٌ وَالْكَافِرُونَ مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ بِهَذَا مَثَلًا كَذَلِكَ يُضِلُّ اللَّهُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَهْدِي مَن يشاء وما يعلم جنود ربك إلا هو وما هي إلا ذكرى للبشر.
We have assigned only angels as keepers of the fire, and we have made their number merely a stumbling block for the faithless, and so that those who were given the book may be reassured, and the faithful may increase in their faith, and so that those who were given the book and the faithful may not be in doubt, and so that the faithless and those in whose hearts is a sickness may say, "What did Allah mean by this description?" Thus does Allah lead astray whomever He wishes and guides whomever He wishes. No one knows the hosts of your Lord except Him, and it is just an admonition for all humans.
كلا والقمر
No indeed. By the moon.
والليل إذ أدبر
By the night when it recedes.
والصبح إذا أسفر
By the dawn when it brightens.
إنها لإحدى الكبر.
Indeed they are one of the greatest signs of God.
نذيرا للبشر.
A warner to all humans.
لمن شاء منكم أن يتقدم أو يتأخر.
Alike, for those of you who like to advance ahead and those who would remain behind.
كل نفس بما كسبت رهينة.
Every soul is hostage to what it has earned.
إلا أصحاب اليمين.
Except the people of the right hand.
في جنات يتساءلون.
They will be, in gardens, questioning.
عن المجرمين.
The guilty.
ما سلككم في سقر.
What drew you into hell?
قالوا لم نك من المصلين.
They will answer, we were not among those who prayed.
ولم نك نطعم المسكين.
Nor did we feed the poor.
وكنا نخوض مع الخائضين.
We used to indulge in profane gossip along with the gossipers.
وكنا نكذب بيوم الدين.
And we used to deny the day of retribution.
حتى أتانا اليقين.
Until death came to us.
فما تنفعهم شفاعة الشافعين.
So the intercession of the intercessors will not avail them.
فما لهم عن التذكرة معرضين.
What is the matter with them that they evade the reminder?
كأنهم حمر مستنفرة.
As if they were terrified asses.
فرت من قسورة.
Fleeing from a lion.
بل يريد كل امرئ منهم أن يؤتى صحفا منشرة.
But every one of them desires to be given unrolled scriptures from Allah.
كلا بل لا يخافون الآخرة.
No. Indeed, they do not fear the hereafter.
كلا إنه تذكرة.
No. It is indeed a reminder.
فمن شاء ذكره.
So let anyone who wishes be mindful of it.
وما يذكرون إلا أن يشاء الله هو أهل التقوى وأهل المغفرة.
And they will not be mindful unless Allah wishes. He is worthy of your being wary of him, and he is worthy to forgive.